Good afternoon to all. Let us start the exercise 8.2, that is indefinite integration, from the book ML Overall, ISC board book, volume 2. Exercise 8.2. Last class already have completed 8.1 full total. 8.2 exercise given, evaluate the following 1 to 20 integrals. Number 1, two parts given. Integration ax square plus bx plus c whole dx. Okay, let me solve one by one. Exercise 8.2, number 1, first part, question given, integration ax square plus bx plus c whole dx. ABC are constant. The integration a taken outside, integration x square dx plus sign, b taken outside, integration x dx plus c taken outside, integration 1 dx. Now a into x square integration will be x cube by 3, b into x integration x will be x square by 2, because power of x is 1, 1 plus 1 2 by 2, plus c into integration of 1 dx, that will be x, plus another constant here, right? Already c written, integration constant, another one, right? c1. C1 is the integration constant. This is the answer of number 1, first part. The second part, question given, integration x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 whole dx. First part, open the bracket, integration x to the power 2 by 3 dx plus integration 1 dx. The x to the power 2 by 3 integration will be x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1. 1 is added power, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 means this will be 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus 1 dx means x, because derivative of x is 1 and integration of 1 is x, and plus c. So finally you are getting, this will be 5 by 3 means this will be 3 by 5 x to the power 5 by 3 plus x plus c. This is the answer of number 1, second part. Question number 2. Question number 2, first part, it is given, integration 3x whole root over plus 1 by root over x whole dx. That means root 3 taken outside, x to the power root over means x to the power half dx plus 1 by root over means x to the power minus half dx. Root 3 constant, root over x means x to the power half plus 1, half plus 1 means 3 by 2, by that much 3 by 2 plus x to the power minus half plus 1, minus half plus 1 means half, by half plus c. So what is the final result? This 2 will be taken out, there will be 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3, 2 root 3 by 3, x to the power 3 by 2, 2 is going off, then 2 root over x plus c. This is the answer of number 2, first part. Let us go to number 2, second part. The second part, question given, number 2, second part, it is given, integration 2a by root over a root over x minus b by x square plus cc cube root of x square, cube root of x square whole dx. This is the question given. 2a constant taken outside, root over x written in the denominator, that will be this is x to the power minus half dx. Then minus b taken outside, 1 by x square means this will be x to the power minus 2 dx plus 3c taken constant taking outside, x to the power cube root of x square means x to the power 2 by 3 whole dx. Now integrate to individually. 2a x to the power minus half, x minus half plus 1, that will be half, by half minus b into x to the power minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1 by minus 1 plus 3c x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 means 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus c integration constant. So finally you are getting how much? This 2 will go up 4a 4a x to the power half means root over x 4a root over x. This will be b by x to the power minus 1 means 1 by x b by x plus 3 3 is 9 c by 5 x to the power 5 by 3 plus c. In this way number 2 second part also completed. Number 3, question number 3, first one it is given 2 cos x 2 cos x by 3 sin square x 3 sin square x dx. 2 by 3 taken outside. Cos by sin means cot and 1 by sin means cosec. That means cosec x into cot x dx. Sin square given, cos by sin means cot and 1 by sin means cosec. Cosec x cot x integration will be minus cosec x plus c. Because derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, therefore integration of cosec x cot x will be minus cosec x. So finally you are getting minus 2 by 3 cosec x plus c. In this way number 3 first part completed. The second part question given integration 2x square minus 3 sin x plus 5 root over x whole dx. This is the question. Now individually you take integration, 2 taken outside, x square dx minus 3 taken outside, sin x dx plus 5 taken outside, root over x means x to the power half dx. Now this will be 2 into x cube by 3 minus sin x integration will be minus cos x. That means this will be 3 cos x. This is plus 5 x to the power half means x to the half plus 1 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 plus c. This is the answer of number 3 second part. In this way number 1 all 2 second part first part second part, number 2 first part second part, number 3 first part second also completed. Okay, try to practice this question. Thank you for today's class. Next day I'll do more some.